As a managerial leader, you really have two jobs. 1, safeguard today's results. 2, make tomorrow's bold vision a reality. Why is that so hard? Why is your team so often tired, confused, and in conflict? Why do people end up defending solutions to local problems, which never seem to solve the business problem? You know you need to think big picture, but that's not enough. You have people who can work in the system. What you need is people who can work on the system. I'm David Hodes. I've developed the Systems Thinker course to help leadership teams like yours gain new capabilities that will redefine what's possible. Your team will come to know the whole, then focus on the constraint. Why constraint? Because that's where you find the leverage. On the course, your team will overturn flawed mental models by learning a new operating philosophy suited to a sharply changing world. Together, you'll see challenges in a positive light. You'll adopt a common language for concepts that work, then immediately exploit these concepts in the field. As you transform how you think as a team, you'll build deep trust with colleagues, all the while acquiring the mental tools you need to achieve your goal. I've spent the last 30 years helping large firms in industrial environments systemically improve production. The Systems Thinker course condenses those lessons and takes your team on a 6-month learning journey. The course is founded on my deep belief that organizations become fairer and more just when teams have the knowledge to work smarter. I want to share that practical wisdom with you so you can develop your organization's talent and turn systems operators and improvers into systems designers and builders. To learn how the Systems Thinker course leads to quick wins, effective habits, and lasting success, sign up today for the free Foundations Workshop. I hope you'll join me there.